subscribe to our channel, and hit the like button for more engaging content. Do you ever wonder how television shows can stay fresh and relevant after almost 3 decades while maintaining a strong connection with its audience? Silent Witness does it by intertwining crime narratives with real-life inspired scenarios, focusing this time on authentic portrayals of our society, particularly on representation for individuals with disabilities. In season 28, that's exactly what happens. Meet Kit Brooks, portrayed by Francesca Mills, who joins the Lyle team as their new crime analyst. Mills, in real life, has achondroplasia, a common type of dwarfism. Unlike what you might be used to seeing, though, the show hasn't resorted to stereotypical portrayals of her or her condition. Instead, Kit is defined by her sharp wit, intellect, unwavering dedication to her work, and expressive facial expressions. Her introduction doesn't make any efforts to reveal her disability, as the focus remains on showcasing Kit's unique personality and abilities. This is what makes her such a memorable character. Rather than labeling Kit by her disability, the writers are working to portray her as a multifaceted individual. To put it simply, Kit has a subtle connection to disability as portrayed by the character of Dr. Clarissa Mullery, played by Liz Carr. This serves not only as a nod to the past, but also as a platform for showcasing exceptional abilities of people with disabilities, something we rarely see on our screens. This reference underscores the impact of witnessing yourself represented in influential roles and how it encourages individuals to surpass their perceived limitations in life. In the show, it's portrayed that professional settings where characters with disabilities excel in positions of knowledge and power break down old stereotypes and emphasize that a disability doesn't equate to a restriction when our society works towards making both workplaces and life more accommodating. And her working life at the Lyle seamlessly integrates accommodations into her everyday routine, such as when she approaches Jack's desk with a stool to sit on during their case. It is so often to make military, and what this brief yet crucial instance underscores the importance of accommodating disabilities within any professional setting, which every manager and entrepreneur should take to heart. And as the series unfolds, it might incorporate elements of Kit's disability within her narrative. However, up until now, the writers seem more interested in delving into her character development as she navigates her role within the team. Some people might think that reducing her character to merely possessing a disability would make an inclusive statement. It doesn't, and can come off as superficial or dramatic. Inclusion goes beyond reducing a character to their disability. Also, what our portrayals strive for is authenticity, that is allowing us to make it basic in, with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.